Hi, it's Connie from Prosperity Finance. I hope you're well. It's very common to see people paying principal and interest for all their loans, including their rental property loans. In today's video, I'm going to cover why it's not a good idea to pay principal and interest for your rental property loan. Now, when I notice someone is paying principal interest, I'm always curious to find out why they want to do that. Some people say they were not thinking about alternative. They thought this is the way. But more commonly, people told me that that's because they feel safer to pay down some principal rather than just paying interest. They feel their loan are reduced over time. I totally get it. But the truth is, if you have your rental property loan on interest only, you move the extra cash flow that you're not paying into your rental property to the home so that you actually pay down your home loan faster. So overall, you're not paying less principal. It's just a feeling, and I totally get that. I just want to address that if you pay interest only on rental property, but as long as you move the extra cash to your home, they still help you to reduce your loan. So I really highly recommend keep interest only for your rental property loan if you still have a loan for your home. There are two advantages of adapting that repayment. Now, the first one is, I just mentioned, you can pay off your home faster. And once your home is fully paid off, what you do? You discharge from the bank. It becomes a mortgage-free property, so that you max out your home protection. Bank can't use it for anything. Now, the second advantage is if you keep your investment property loan on interest only, the interest for investment property is tax-deductible cost. So it's used to offset your rental income. If you keep the investment loan on interest only, you basically max out the tax-deductible loan, the tax-deductible cost. Therefore, it minimizes the profit you need to pay. So it's a win-win situation. So I would highly recommend you keep interest only for your rental property loan while you still have loan for your home. What happens at the end of the interest only term? Now, normally bank give you up to 5 years interest only. Now, at the end of the 5 years, if you still have a loan against your home, you can seek extension on the interest-only term. Or if your bank's not happy with it, but you qualify with another bank, then you can refinance your rental property, get a further interest-only terms. But just bear in mind, both extension and refinancing require reassessment that based on your income and based on your property equity level. So it's not guaranteed. But the worst scenario, if you can't get extended or refinance, get another further interest-only term, you're just paying principal and interest. So it's not end of the world. But it does mean your cash flow potentially increase for your rental property because you start paying interest. But hopefully by then, interest rates is lower. So even you pay principal and interest, it's not necessarily increase much about the repayment. So do it while you can for your rental property loan. Put it on interest only. If you have a question about your own situation, feel free to get in touch with us. We can help you to get tailored advice and help you make the right decision. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.